question that we often get asked is, what things should I do before putting my house on the market? You want to be really careful not to just slap the home on the MLS prior to having it in show-ready condition. Hi everyone, I'm Amy Allwell with Keller Williams Realty. In this video, I'm going to give you 7 pro tips you can be doing before putting your house on the market. If you want to see more videos about living or moving to Northern Kentucky, then you can subscribe to my channel right below. Okay, no matter what kind of market we are in, you're going to walk away with more money in your pocket if your house stands out and is priced correctly. A really great idea is to have a pre-home inspection. This will show any problems or issues that might be going on with the home, addressing safety concerns and any unknown problems prior to listing will minimize contingencies with a potential buyer. Now, you'll want to have a comparative market analysis done by a local real estate agent. This is an analysis that is done to a homeowner give an idea of what their home is worth in today's market. This will tie in with your return on investment. And a good real estate agent should give you options. This first would be selling your home as is, doing nothing and just packing your bags and moving out. This could be estimate 1. The second would be if you did this or that, such as a minor bathroom remodel, sprucing up the landscaping, maybe a minor kitchen remodel, exterior improvements. Think like your driveway, siding, garage doors, finishing the basement, fresh neutral paint. Remodeling projects can be tricky. The wrong project in the wrong market could cost you more time and money than it's worth. There are many different factors to take in consideration with this. Like I said, what type of market are you in? The available inventory, so supply and demand, location or area, and cost of material are just a few. The third thing you'll want to do is call your mortgage lender to get the payoff on your home. This way, a seller's net sheet can be prepared by your real estate agent. This is a document prepared for a home seller that breaks down the sales proceeds, closing costs, prorated taxes, your broker's commissions, and any other obligations or title fees. This is a calculated estimate a seller can expect to make on the sale of their home. Depending on your situation, the fourth thing you'll most likely want to get is a storage unit. I have links for a few in the Northern Kentucky area below. You will want to show as much room as possible to potential buyers. You're going to want to start packing. The big question, what should you leave out and what should you pack? A general rule of thumb I always give my seller is pack anything smaller than a football. This advice will help you a lot when you can't decide what to keep out and what to pack before your pictures. Always clean out all closets. Once you get most of the home decluttered and packed, you're going to want to clean. Not just clean, but deep clean. Think baseboards. There's a lot to it, so hiring a professional can take a lot off your plate. Last thing to do before putting your house on the market is start filling out a document from your agent that is called a seller's property disclosure. You should start gathering information on the age of your mechanical systems, like your HVAC, hot water heater, the approximate age of the roof, the date you purchased the property, and any other information. And if you would like a copy of my ultimate seller to-do list, click the link below. I hope you found value in this video, and you are always welcome to reach out to me directly with any questions or concerns you may have about listing or buying a home in the Northern Kentucky or Cincinnati area. I'm Amy Allwell. Thanks for watching.